Now we are going to see the third sum. Find the equation of the circle whose center is minus 3 comma minus 2 and having the circumference 16 5. Okay, so what they have given in the question they have given the equation of the circle and the center of the circle is minus 3 comma 2. The center of the circle is minus 3 comma minus 2. Okay, and the circumference is 2 pi r, so that is equal to 16 pi. Okay, so what is the circumference? That is, they have given 16 pi. And what we have to do, you have to just cancel this pi and 5. So 2r is equal to 16, then r equal to 16 by 2, then r equal to 8. Then the equation of the circle minus 3 comma minus 2 and r is equal to 8. Then what we have to do, we have to substitute in the equation x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. So that is equal to x minus minus 3 the whole square plus y minus minus 2 the whole square equal to 8 the square. So that is equal to x plus 3 the whole square plus y plus 2 the whole square equal to 64. So that is equal to, we have to expand with the a square plus b square formula. So x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square plus y square plus 2 into x into y plus 2 the square equal to 64. So that implies x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus here what will be the answer you will be getting, that is here 2 into 2. Okay, so 2 into so y square plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 64. So that implies x square plus 6x plus 4y plus here 9 plus 4 is 13 plus y square equal to 64. Then again what you will be getting here, x square plus y square plus 6x plus 4y, then here plus 13 minus 64 equal to 0. Then if you subtract means what is the answer you will be getting, x square plus y square plus 6x plus 4y, then minus 51 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle. Okay, so now we are going to see the next sum. Next sum is fourth sum. In the fourth sum, this is the equation of the circle they have given. So from the equation of the circle, the center they have given is 2 comma 3 and it passes through 1 comma 4. So now we have to find out the radius. So radius in the sense how we go. So therefore the solution is what they have given in the solution, the center of the circle you write it. Okay, the center of the circle is 0, that is 2 comma 3. Okay, so next what we have to write it, radius equal to distance between the points 2 comma 3 and 1 comma 4. So next we have to find out is 2 minus 1 the whole square, then plus 3 minus 4 the whole square. Already we know this one x1 x2, then here x1 comma y1, then x2 comma y2. So x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. In your smaller classes you have studied. So that implies root of 1 square plus minus 1 the square. So that is equal to 1 plus 1 equal to root 2 the units. Okay, so next what we have to find out, the equation of the circle with center 2, 3 and radius root 2 units. So that implies x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square equal to root 2 the whole square. So this is the formula how we are writing x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square. So this we are expanding. So x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y equal to 2. So this root and root will get cancelled. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 4 plus 9 minus 2 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 13 minus 2 equal to 0. So that implies x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle.